In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore the old YouTube layout. So first, we're going to open Chrome and search for Chrome Store. Then we're going to open this page, and here on the search bar, we're going to type YouTube Redux. We're going to open it. And then we're going to click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. And once it's done, this page will appear where it tells you a little bit about the extension. But what I wanted to show you is how it looks. So let's go to youtube.com, and as you can see, the old YouTube layout is back. If you found the video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Enjoy!